use this lovely round stencil, see how that goes. And I've also got these metallic pencils. They're really, really nice. They're only from a discount store. So use them on a number of projects and they seem to work quite well. So I thought I'd give them a go now. So what I'm going to do is just draw some circles and sort of semicircles. I'm going to leave where this bronze paint is and just draw there. And I'm going to find a smaller circle. And put that inside as well. Same principle, missing out the bronze. And then I can make some patterns within. So what I'm going to do is just colour in. So you make some lines and then colour in smaller areas. And this is really nice to do. I really love doing circles. I don't know what it is, but there's something really therapeutic about doing them. Especially when you've made all of this sort of messy kind of painting. To put then the circles on top just gives it a different element. The circles are so perfect and this is so not. Kind of like that. Just going to thicken up this line a bit. Make sure that it's quite pronounced. Yeah, quite like that. these turned out quite nice in the end. Wasn't sure which way I was going to go with them, but yeah, I just saw the leaf shapes in the bronze paint and just thought, yeah, that's what I'm going to put. Love the way the gold paint shimmers, and I think this one's my favourite. Just love the embellishments on it. So these are so easy to do, really easy. All you've got to do is get started. Once you get started, you'll start seeing shapes. Just follow the lines and you can end up with something like this, a pretty little bookmark. If you like this, please like and subscribe. It'd be great to see you again soon.